Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the comparison of adjectives in Dutch. How do we say bigger, faster, better, or the biggest, the fastest, the best in Dutch? Let us start with the positive form, the original adjective. For example, mooi, groot, snel. Now, to compare things, we add er to the adjective, like faster, bigger. For example, Jan is groter dan Piet. Deze stad is mooier dan dat. To say the biggest, the fastest, we usually add st to the adjective. For example, dit is het grootste huis in de straat. Now, of course, there are some irregular adjectives just as in English. For example, goed, beter, het best. Veel, meer, het meest. Weinig, minder, het minst. That's it for today's Dutch lesson. Practice by describing things around you. De grotere auto, het mooiste uitzicht, de beste leraar. Subscribe for more Dutch lessons and share it with your friend who is also learning.